Now format. First, within the geometry, wide will be, for example, 0.5 run. Yeah. Now fill. Fill. Now we can, for example, green. If we see green, yeah, green. So if we write blue, no, sky blue. Yeah, sky blue is the best. Then text. Geom text means value. Just we will see the value. Geom text. AES label is equal to SPR sprint F. That means sprint F, sorry, one equal sprint F. So we will use quotation. Percentage point means decimal point. Within the sprint F, if we type percentage dot means decimal point, if we type one decimal point. Then comma P. Why P? P means here percentage here. Here P means percentage. Comma V justification is equal to minus 0.5. Generally we use minus 0.5, and size generally we use 3 or 4. Yeah, these are bar diagram, but this is not publication ready. Why not publication ready? Because we have to give the axis label ACS, the meaning of ACS, meaning of P. It is called axis label, LABS. X is equal to here, X is equal to wealth index, and P is equal to here percentage percentage of disease. Yeah. If we would like to remove the background, then just theme classic. Yes. Oh, sorry. Not P, it will be Y. Sorry. Y. X and Y. Yeah, now this is the publication ready graph.